Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model 3 air filter 2020 only way. Start by powering the car off, opening the glove box, and removing contents to access the filter area. Use a T25 Torx to remove the glove box stops and lower the glove box carefully. Inspect the air box for debris and have the replacement filter ready. Work methodically and keep screws in a tray so nothing gets lost during reassembly. Now remove the old filter by unclipping the glove box dampener and lowering the glove box down and out of the way. Unscrew the airbox cover with your T25 Torx and slide the cover toward you, exposing the filter. Grasp the old filter and pull it straight out to prevent dust from spilling into the cabin. Take a moment to vacuum the housing if needed and check the old filter for unusual debris or moisture. Quick recommendation: grab a durable Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you work on your Tesla, and it's perfect for sweaty wrenching sessions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps me make more content. I dropped the link to the bottle and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new filter by matching the airflow arrows and sliding it into the guide rails until it seats evenly. Replace the airbox cover, secure all T25 screws snugly, and reattach the glove box dampener so the glove box opens and closes smoothly. Return any removed contents to the glove box and power the car on to run the HVAC briefly and confirm proper airflow. Dispose of the old filter responsibly or recycle if possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.